Hello, my name is Diana Katerine Diaz. My group is 21. My code is 10-20-23. How do a balance sheet? A balance sheet is a financial document that shows the asset, liabilities, and onwards activity of a company at a given point in time. It's different from the income statement in that is a snapshot on any given day, whereas the income statement spans a time period. Most companies prepare their balance sheet quarterly and yearly. To put together a balance sheet, you'll obviously need all the financial data from your different trial balance. In reality, the information from a balance sheet starts with the individual transaction. But the purpose of this article is just to show you how to organize a balance sheet. First of all, there are two sides to the balance sheet, the right and left side. On the left side, you have two assets. Of the right side, you'll have two sections, liabilities and onwards equity. The left and right side will always be equal, and the main balance sheet equation is asset equal liabilities more onwards equity. This makes sense because the assets are on the left side, and it will always equal what is on the right side, which the liabilities and onwards equity account added together. Here was an example balance sheet looks like. Okay, it's a box in the two columns. One asset, current asset, cash, account receivable, inventory, prepared instruction, and total current asset, investment, property, plant and equipment, land, buildings, equipment, less account depreciation, intangible assets, goodwill, patents, and total intangible assets. Other assets, total assets is equal and total asset is it, and the other column is liabilities, where is current liabilities, accounts payable, wages payable, interest payable, taxes payable, total current liabilities, long-term liabilities, notes payable, bond payable, total long-term liabilities, and total liabilities equal sale liabilities more onwards equity. The onwards equity is common stock, retained earnings, total scholar equity, total liabilities, and onwards equity is equal and assets. As you can see, everything listed on the left side is an asset or something the company can use that will give them some economic benefit. Also, everything listed on the right side is anything under liabilities or onwards equity. One way to think about it is that the liabilities one and onwards equity section are ways to explain who owns the asset. On the left side, assets are divided into two sections, current asset and long-term asset. Current asset, the assets that are expected to be used within 1 year. This include cash, account receivable, inventory, prepared insurance, and prepared grant. Long-term assets are anything investing a current assets such as land, buildings, equipment, and most invested. Liabilities are also divided into current liabilities and long-term liabilities. Current liabilities are liabilities that are expected to be satisfied within 1 year, and long-term liabilities are liabilities that will take longer than 1 year to satisfy. The owner's equity account includes the amount that the owners of the company own. This includes common stock, retained earnings, preferred stock, and paid-in capital accounts. The best way to do a balance sheet is to just practice filling one out a few times. Once you know where each account goes and you also understand why it goes there, it will be a lot easier to fill out a balance sheet whenever you need to. Is the finish of the how to do a balance sheet. Thanks.